Welcome to the second part of our video exploring different types of data. In the previous part of this video, we learned that data can be divided into two main types, qualitative and quantitative. In this part, we'll explore another important distinction, structured and unstructured data. These terms don't describe what data contain, but how data are organized and handled. Let's begin with structured data. These data are well organized and easy to search. They often look like tables, similar to what you see in Excel documents or Google Sheets. Structured data mostly contains numbers, but they can also include categorized words or phrases. For example, think about the data collected from the CICP Week 4 survey of Year 1, where charity leaders discussed the skills they seek in new hires. By finding repeated words like communications or fundraising and giving them labels or codes, we turn the raw data into structured data. This makes it easier to do number-based analysis and see which skills are mentioned most often. On the other hand, unstructured data is a bit more like a puzzle with no clear picture. It can be text, documents, images, videos, social media posts, or even logs from computer servers. One way to think about unstructured data is as being holistic. Regardless of whether it has qualitative or quantitative attributes, unstructured data often captures a broader context and requires more detailed or interpretive methods for examination. This is because it lacks a predefined structure or format, so we need more advanced techniques to find meaningful insights. It's important to recognize, however, that the distinction between structured and unstructured data is not black and white. Semi-structured data, for example, falls in between. Semi-structured data doesn't fit neatly into regular structures like databases, but it still has some organization. Think of an email. It has structured parts like to, from, subject, and date. These give it a kind of order. But the body of the email is unstructured with no set format. It might have text, bullet points, images, or links. So it's a mix of both. In essence, semi-structured data combines structured and unstructured elements, making it generally more complex to work with. Why is it important to know the difference between structured and unstructured data? Recognizing whether data is structured or unstructured helps guide how we analyze it. Structured data is great for quantitative analysis and simple calculations, while unstructured data requires more complex methods like natural language processing or machine learning to extract insights. Understanding the type of data helps us know how to handle it. Structured data is efficient to store and retrieve using databases, while unstructured data is more challenging because of its diverse formats. Businesses and organizations make critical decisions based on data-driven insights. Structured data provides clear metrics for decision-making, while unstructured data can provide deeper context and insights. Compliance rules can be different for structured and unstructured data. Knowing the difference is important for data privacy and following legal standards. As data continues to grow and evolve, understanding the nature of data becomes essential to adapt and incorporate new techniques and technologies. In summary, knowing the difference between structured and unstructured data helps enable informed decision-making, optimal resource allocation, and effective use of data for insight generation and innovation. Understanding both structured and unstructured data can help nonprofits and charities perform their operations better and make more informed decisions. Let's consider a charity that works with volunteers. They have structured data with volunteer names, contact information, and availability. They also collect unstructured data by asking volunteers why they participate. This unstructured feedback is valuable because it gives a broader picture of volunteers' motivations and preferences. It could help predict who might donate in the future based on their commitment to the cause or inform recruitment and retention initiatives in the future. It's important to assess the data collected and its form to avoid collecting unnecessary data or not using it effectively. Researchers call this wasting data. Organizations should strategize how to use data to its full potential. To wrap up, structured and unstructured data differ in how we organize and process them. Understanding this helps organizations manage and analyze their data effectively and address their challenges more efficiently.